Well, with just a little over 21,000 miles, this may be the Corvette for you. Beautiful Victory Red. As we said, just 21,000 miles, and wait till you hear about what's under the hood on this car. Victory Red on the exterior, ebony interior, 540 plus horsepower LS7 engine with 6-speed manual transmission. What fun is this car going to be? Features include the $6,515 3LZ Preferred Equipment Group. We always tell you this includes the leather-wrapped instrument panel, door panels, center console lid, unique bias graphic pattern for that center console, has dual heated seats, power driver side seat, tilt and telly, universal garage door transmitter, memory package, Bluetooth package. It has a front input and steering wheel controls, wonderful Bose stereo system, has the chrome spider wheels that look great, has heads-up display OnStar. This car, everything powers on this car. Look, there's a lot on this car. We can't get it all in a short video. Be sure to click the link right down below this video. You'll see stunning photos as well as the pricing. This car comes with a clean Carfax, and it is loaded with the rare top-level 3LZ trim package. This car shows just 21,279 miles and features some very nice performance grades as well. The car's paint is in very good, nice shine, chrome wheels are very good, and the interior of this car shows very good steering wheel, excellent door panels, and center console. Now, additions to this car include an aftermarket performance camshaft, AirAid cold intake, mild to wild remote fob for factory dual mode exhaust, oversized ZR1 style rear spoiler, dry sump breather filter, clear protective film on the front. This is absolutely beautiful car. Give one of our sales representatives a call here at buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia at 770-414-5552. They will help you with this car or any one of the cars on our showroom floor, on our lot. Beautiful selection of Corvettes. It's exciting to be here every day. Remember, we ship nationwide, less expensive than you would ever imagine, and you can buy online with confidence. We are an online sales business. You can do it with ease. You can purchase a car with confidence online, and we will help you every step of the way. So all of our Corvettes are certified Corvettes. They're way above the average, and in addition, of course, they're fully serviced. Give us a call, buyavette.net. We hope to be your ultimate Corvette buying experience right here in Atlanta, Georgia. We hope to hear from you really soon.